Hello everyone, today we're checking out the Merach Stair Stepper. Is it worth your money or just another workout gimmick? Let's find out. The Merach Stair Stepper is a compact workout machine that copies the motion of climbing stairs. It folds up for easy storage and weighs only 26 pounds. The machine comes with handles you can adjust and an LCD screen to track your progress. And it supports up to 300 pounds. It's designed for a full body workout at home. Let's talk about what people love. First, it's super easy to set up. Most people get it running in under 10 minutes. The compact design is perfect for small apartments. You can fold it and tuck it away when you're done. Users say it really does work your legs, butt, and core. The LCD screen shows your time, steps, and calories burned. For the price of around $130 to $200, it's way cheaper than a gym membership. People also love how quiet it is during use. Now for the downsides. Some users say it feels a bit flimsy, especially for people over 200 pounds. The resistance can't be adjusted much, so your workout stays pretty basic. A few people reported getting machines with missing parts, though customer service usually fixes this fast. The foot pedals are also smaller than expected, which some find uncomfortable. Most buyers are happy with their purchase. They say it gets the job done for daily cardio without taking up much space. Some do cancel their gym memberships because they can get a solid workout at home. The company offers a 1-year warranty and responds quickly to problems. Real users show noticeable results in leg strength and endurance after a few weeks. So, legit or scam? It's legit. The Merach Stair Stepper is a solid budget option for home workouts. Just don't expect gym quality equipment. Perfect for beginners and people with limited space. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one.